Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm the representative of Group 7 and I would like to explain about our lesson plan. Okay, we are going to teach the junior high school in class 8 in the first semester. The language focus of our subject in our listening, speaking, pronunciations, and reading. And then the topic of today's lesson is asking and giving opinion. The method we use is synchronous and the media that we use is Google Meet. There are 4 objectives that we want to reach. The first one is the student are able to recognize expressions of asking and giving opinion, both formal and informal. And the second one, the students are able to repeat the teacher utterances in asking and giving opinion, both formal and informal. The third one, students are able to give example of asking and giving opinion, both formal and informal. And the last one is the students are able to use the expressions of asking and giving opinion, both formal and informal, towards certain topics. The first step is presentations. The estimate time we are used in the presentations step are 35. And there are teacher rule and student rule, patterns of interactions, and the purposes. Okay, beginning the lesson, the teacher answering the Google Meet and then greetings students to the student and then student respond to the teacher greeting. And then the teacher taking register and the student will respond to the teacher. Okay, the teacher getting down to start the lesson. Okay, running the class. Before starting the lesson, the teacher will give brainstorming that was telling about today's lesson, that was expressions of asking and giving opinion, and ask the student what they know about asking and giving opinion. The student can mention several expressions of asking and giving opinion that they know. And then after the student mentions some expressions about asking and giving opinion that they know, the teacher telling the objective about today's lesson. The student exactly listen to the teacher explanation. Then after telling the objective of the lesson, the teacher will show and practice some expressions of asking and giving opinion. So in this is the student present or showing some expressions of asking and giving opinion, both formal and informal, and then the teacher will pronounce the correct pronunciations of the expressions of asking and giving opinion, and then the student will repeat it. After repeat to the teacher utterance, the teacher asked the student to give example of the expressions of asking and giving opinion that have been showing. In the step 2, practice and productions. In this step, estimate time is 35. In this step, the teacher showing the student worksheet. This worksheet is doing in pairs. The teacher divide the student into group, and then the student will will answer about their opinion about something that the teacher was showing, about the topic that teacher showing. The student will make it be expressions of asking and giving opinion, but it's doing in pairs. After the teacher give instructions to do it, the worksheet, and the student done to do it, the worksheet, the teacher will ask the student to perform in pairs, to read their result of asking and giving opinion that they was made. And the last step is closure. Estimate time is 10 minutes, and in this step the teacher will checking the time and telling the student the time is over, and then the teacher will conclude about today's lesson, about what is actually expressions of asking and giving opinion, and then the teacher will close the class.